In the summer of 1966, Tim and Tanya Smith went camping with their parents. In the woods, they saw many plants and animals they could not see in their own neighborhood. They also saw something quite unusual. As they were playing near the campsite, the kids saw something move in the trees. Going to get a closer peek at it, they saw it was a giant, furry figure. It looked like it was watching them. Just then, the creature stepped out from behind a large tree. Tim and Tanya could see its huge arms and legs. Its whole body was covered with shaggy brown fur. It stood on 2 feet, straight up and down like a human being. It sniffed the air and looked at them curiously with its big black eyes. Tim and Tanya screamed and ran as fast as they could to go find their mom and dad. When they returned with their parents, the creature was gone. All that was left was a single footprint, something that had a really big foot. It was a huge footprint, twice as big as Tim or Tanya's. It could not have been left there by a regular man. It was not like any animal tracks either. Only a very large, very heavy creature could leave a footprint that big and that deep. Thousands of people have told stories like Tim and Tanya's for thousands of years. All of these people saw a giant, hairy, furry creature that stood up like a human and walked on 2 feet. Most of the reports in North America about Bigfoot occur in the woods of California, Oregon, Washington, and Canada. Some stories go as far back as Indian times, long ago. The Salish Indians told stories about the Sasquatch. This name means wild man of the woods. But there is still no definitive proof that the creature actually exists. What do you think? Have you ever seen a Bigfoot?